Today I'm going to be installing this solar-powered irrigation system in my raised garden bed. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. To set this up, all you're going to need is a pair of scissors. You're going to cut small pieces of the black line, connecting them with the black T pieces. Each of the black T pieces should have 3 pieces of black line connected to it. This is very important. If you don't have 3 pieces of black line, this is not going to work properly. There is a little down arrow on these T's, and on the other end of that line is where you're going to place the blue drip piece. On the actual device itself, you are going to have 2 ports, an in port and an out port. On the out port, you do need to install the anti-siphon piece. The in port is just going to be a piece of black line that you run to a bucket, and you're going to attach this filter. To access the controls, simply flip the solar panel up. Then you are going to long press the red button to turn this on. You can change the watering interval from 1 minute to 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and you can set the schedule for 1 day a week, 3 days a week, or 7 days a week.